To create custom text in Printful's Design Maker, click on the Design tab and then click on Add Text. Now type your message in a text box and get an instant preview of it on the product mockup. To access Printful's vast font library, click on the Font tab above the Preview area and find a suitable typeface for your design. You can scroll through the entire selection, use the search bar to look for a font that you have in mind, or switch to the Popular Fonts tab that features the most commonly used fonts by Printful users. Alternatively, you can click on the Filter tab, where you can search for a specific font based on its name, type, or alphabet. The results will appear in the All Fonts panel. You can save the font you like to your favorites collection by clicking on the heart icon next to it. If you want to change the text size and letter spacing, you can do that here. To add another text layer, click on the Design tab, add text, and type a new caption. Easy as that. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.